Hey guys, it's that time again where I say it's back by popular demand, and it totally is. 3 packs. I'm trying Ancient Guardians. It's only a 7 pack thing instead of the 9 thicky boys. We'll see how this goes. A little bit quicker. I didn't see any Pokemon cards. Hopefully I could buy some Pokemon cards tomorrow, I think. And yeah, we'll start with a Ancient Guard here. And we'll see what's inside these bad boys. Oh, they're a little. Oh, they're 7 packs, but they're a little like different. So they have. By that they have like silver lettering. Oh, maybe I'll buy more of these because they look fancy. Rise of the Snake Deity. Reso. Wow. Dreama. Flogos the Org. Okay, nope. Pot of Riches. Wow, that card is looking nice. Shuffle 3 Pendulum Monsters into your deck from your graveyard and your. Wait, what? Shuffle 3 Pendulum Monsters into your deck from your graveyard and or face up from your extra deck. Oh. Then draw 2 cards. You can only activate 1 Pot of Riches per turn. You cannot special summon the turn you activate this card except. Oh, that's not. Wait. You cannot special summon the turn you activate this card except by Pendulum Summon. Oh, I mean, that's not bad for Pendulum decks, I think, right? Well, let me just get. What the fuck? What is happening? Why do I need a captcha for fucking Google? Sorry. That was amazing. There's no way this pot of anything is worth anything, but. Why is my Google being so weird? There's no images loading either. What the hell? Sorry, this is my bad. I don't know what's going on. Also, doesn't have. What on earth? Am I even in the right? Oh, this is Ancient Battles 10. That's why there's no. Ancient Guardians. Ancient Battle. Ancient Guardians. Ancient Guardians. Jesus. What the heck? No, what? Am I okay? Ancient Guardians price list. Ancient Battles price guide. That's not the same. Why? Okay, I might lose my mind in a second, guys. It's we're just gonna move. Ayers Rock Sunrise, Solar for something scales. Noya the Yeah, I'm gonna act like I pronounced that correctly and move on. I'm actually so confused. That's worth 4 cents. Cool. Pot of Riches is worth 3 cents. I don't know why they don't have a price guide. I don't care anymore. If card looks shiny, I like card. Or open the other one. Because the Lightning Overdrive spoke to me. It actually in the store fell into my hands. I knocked the rack a little bit, and it fell into my hands. What the? What? How much? Ursartic Megatanus? Dinosaur Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer? Wow, that guy looked actually sick as fuck. Dragon Infusion Summon. 1 Draco Slayer, Pendulum Monster, 1 Pendulum Monster. Must first be special summoned from extra deck by attributing the above cards you control. Pendulum, yeah, okay. Pendulum Monster summons. Light Serpent. Ignite. Reload. Ignite, yeah. Offering to the snake deity. Sulfura Chord Musica. And Ursartic Slider. Oh, that looks pretty. Doubt it's worth anything. Because apparently there's not even a price guide on these stupid cards. Ancient Guardians, Yu-Gi-Oh! Price. But like they're not even... Oh. Dude, I don't understand. I don't know why they're doing this to me. Ancient Guardians, there. What the fuck? Alright, I've been trolled this whole time. Skullmeister. Slider. Apologize for taking extra time here. So $1. Where'd my mouse go? What in tarnation? There are 16 cards with this name. What the? And this one's gonna be the 20 cents. Nice. Good job. At least the cards look pretty. Okay, final pack. This is about speed and integrity. D. Amazing Special Show. One Curie Way. War Rock Generations. And War Rock Dignity. Those are the rest. I don't know if this is worth anything. You must control a War Rock monster. Maybe I can make a War Rock deck, guys. What's this called? War Rock. Well, 80 cents. Sick. All right, well, I apologize for that being a little bit longer than usual. Computer's having a weird aneurysm there and having any loaded up. This was quick. But in the future, tomorrow, hopefully, I should have some Pokemon cards to open up for you absolute lads. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this in the meantime. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the future. Take care. Love you. and goodbye.